And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. We are here at the 2024 Los Angeles International Auto Show in front of the 2026 Honda Passport. Really awesome looking vehicle. Been a big fan of the Passport for a while, but this one here just looks fantastic. Now this one here, of course, is the Trailsport, which is the perfect version of this. And I'm sorry, there's some music in the background. Look at this. Skid plates on this girl. LED fog lights, headlights. You can see the daytime running lights as well in amber. Now here's some details, of course. 18-inch wheels, and of course this one here is set to be released basically about first quarter of next year, 2025. Just awesome, especially the color is fantastic. I'll put that for you guys up on the screen to see what kind of color it is. But take a look at the interior here. Beautiful mix of black and a little bit of beautiful leather, kind of a tan black color, really nice. Got the Trailsport there right there. Look at this instrumentation, very similar to what Honda has done now for all this their new cars. Got a panoramic sunroof as well. Of course, this is gonna have quite a bit of off-road options too. I love the floor mats there as well. Power seats, mostly probably at least heated. Yeah, I love the trim. This is Honda did a good job. Got the black handlebars right there. And the mirrors. The tailgate's pretty cool. Love the wheels. Basically ready for off-road. We got some roof rails. And let's see if the black door's open. Yes, it is. So you can see there's plenty of room here in the back. Just check out. Looks like plenty of good seating. We got your third zone AC here in the back. If I can, let's see if I turn on some light here. You see, guys, third zone AC. Got the backs here. Pretty spacious, I can say. We have a center armrest here too, with cup holders. I love the stitching. Stitching that just feels fantastic. Of course, you can bring this down. We got your off-road wheel right there. Spare tire, really nice. I love the carpets too. Very, very nice. What they've done. The carpets got some speakers. Really nice. We also got some window shades as well. So wow, it's pretty loaded. The model. Love the color, the combination. If we head back here, we're on the Cactus here, and you can see, guys, Passport. I'm not gonna open up the back, but take a look at those roof rails. Pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Trailsport model. Of course, I'll put some more details, guys, on the video for you guys there on the screen to give you a little bit of details. Of course, these are supposed to be, I don't know what's power, but it should have a V6, maybe some turbocharged 4-cylinder. We don't know yet, but I'll put that information for you guys. So I know that Passport's been having a V6, but let me know what you guys think. Beautiful, really nice what Honda has done. I like it. Interior is fantastic. Love the color combination. In terms of quite a bit of off-road ability, you can see, guys, this is definitely meant for off-road. Got a front skid plate. We got some rock sliders there as well. Let me know what you think of this 2026 Honda Passport. No pricing has been mentioned as of yet, if I'm correct, and this should be coming out, they say, in the first quarter of 2025. Can't get to get behind the wheel of one of these beauties, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video here from the Los Angeles Auto Show. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.